Right, that is Samsung A13, and the fingerprint and power cable is damaged already, so I take jumper. I will show you how you need to do jumper. First you need to take one wire from ground like this and place on this, anyone you can choose. The other one you can take from second, and also I will show you, you can take from second line. I will show you in microscope that you can see better, that you can see, you can look, that is a jumper I take from second line, and other one I take from ground. One from down side from second line, the other one we take from ground, and we do jumper like this. Because that cable already damaged, I remove the connector. Now I'm gonna show you the result after the placing power switch. Now you can see, you can look visible difference. The power button is working properly. I don't recommend you to do that jumper. First thing, you need to replace the complete cable. If you don't have cable, then you can do that method, and you can that method. If you do only work power key, the fingertip is won't work, only work power key. So for emergency we can do that method. For now, goodbye, see you.